In this case, started when an older carbon vane pump ingested some product. They lost a set of vanes, purchased a set of vanes over the phone in an emergency situation, got themselves up and running with that set of vanes, but the issue is not resolved. They might be up and running, but ultimately they're going to continue to have the problem. My name is Jay Chance. I've been with Republic for coming up on 12 years in vacuum pump sales. We were dealing with an encapsulator that has a number of product encapsulation machines, but we're looking to expand their operation. We went into the facility and looked at how production is running with single regenerative blowers on each piece of equipment. If a filter fails or production doesn't take care of inlet filtration, they can lose an entire production line pretty easily. Whenever we have that type of situation where there are multiple points of failure, centralizing the vacuum gives them a more robust vacuum system. So what we were able to do is provide a central system so they can centralize not only the pumps themselves and the vacuum that they're utilizing, but centralize filtration at the same time. In a system like this, we're giving you a turnkey solution. So not only are you receiving the vacuum pumps, inlet filtration, protections for the pumps, but you have some redundancy so that they can continue production even if there is some sort of a product ingestion upset. The more that we can keep their production equipment up and running, the better. At manufacturer spec, as far as what flow and vacuum level was required, we were able to figure out that with 2 of our RCV-160 vacuum pumps, they can run not only the production lines that are currently in place, but the 2 that are going to be coming online within the next year. In this case, we're stacking the pumps. So we're offering a smaller footprint by putting those pumps on a rack and making them more accessible to do preventative maintenance. But you have a tank to centralize all of your vacuum pulling on one point. Our control panel is mounted onto that holding tank so that production has access right at their fingertips to the controls for their central system. And our control panel is already set up to accept those pumps. So all they're going to have to do is pipe them into the vacuum holding tank and they're up and running. I think for a central system like this, being able to be in the facility talking with not only management but production, especially if I can get all of those people in one room, it gives me the opportunity to show how an investment in something like a central system makes sense for every piece of that puzzle. That provides me as a salesperson an opportunity to help solve the problem. That's really what I do.